Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes E350 W212 and how to remove and replace your driver's seat. As you're seeing right here, I have a very worn out driver's seat and I'm going to be replacing it with a new seat. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And this video applies to all the E-Class models from 2010 to 2016, E350, E550, and E63. So the first thing you want to do is move the seat completely back so you can gain access to these two bolts, one on this side, one right on that side. And to open these bolts, all you're going to need is a 10mm 12-point bit. You don't need any other special tools. So you're going to open these two. Once those two are open, you're going to move the seat completely forward. And then on the back side, there's going to be two as well. You're going to remove those as well. Then unplug your battery before removing the seat belt and the cables underneath your seat, because some of these connections are to your airbag and you want to make sure your battery is disconnected at that time. So you're going to be removing a total of 4. So now with all 4 bolts removed, the next thing you want to do is make sure your headrest is completely down. It'll just make it a lot easier to remove the seat out of the car. And then what you're going to do is keep it in this sort of position right here, so it's easier to take out from the front door. And now you can disconnect your battery. Once the battery is disconnected, you're going to remove this flap. And then you're going to use a Torx bit to remove the seat belt from the seat. To remove the seat belt bolt, you're going to need a T40 bit. And then once that's removed, just lift up the seat. And then underneath the seat, you're going to have a couple of cables that you have to disconnect. And then the seat is ready to remove out of your E350. And now the seat is ready to remove. So here's my old seat, which I've taken out of the vehicle right now, and there's my replacement. And one thing I also wanted to share with you guys is underneath the bottom railings where you remove the bolts, you will have these plastic trims. So if your new replacement seat doesn't come with these trims, make sure to remove them from your old seat and to put them back in the same spot. So if it came out from the back left, it goes to the back left, the back right to the back right, etc. So since my new seat did not come with these trims, I removed them off the old one, and they're very easy to install. You just slide them into the railing and they clip right into place. So once you have these trims on, we can place the seat inside the vehicle and then reconnect the wiring, reinstall the seat belt, and then tighten down all 4 bolts in all 4 corners. And that's it. It was a very straightforward and easy process. It only took about 15 minutes. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if this video did help you guys out, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.